Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to estimate chlorophyll content in leaves. First, carefully collect several healthy leaf samples from your plant. It's important to ensure these leaves are free from any damage or disease to get the most accurate results. Try to use a consistent sampling method across all your plants for better comparison. This initial step is crucial for reliable data. Next, you'll need to extract the chlorophyll. Begin by grinding your leaf tissue thoroughly, typically using a solvent like 80% acetone. After grinding, centrifuge the mixture to separate the solid plant debris from the liquid. Carefully collect the supernatant, which is the liquid portion containing the extracted chlorophyll. This solution is what you will analyze. Now, it's time to use a spectrophotometer. Measure the absorbance of your chlorophyll extract at two specific wavelengths, 645 nanometers and 663 nanometers. Before taking your samples, always calibrate your instrument using a blank solvent. This ensures your readings are accurate and provides a baseline for your measurements. Finally, use specific equations to calculate the concentrations of chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B based on your absorbance readings. Your results should be expressed in units like milligrams per gram of fresh weight. Remember, consistent methodology is key for reliable data. Also, for a truly clean home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing device and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.